Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix screen is too dark issue in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you are using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57, you're facing the issue that your phone screen is too dark, your brightness is too low, and you have almost maximized your brightness. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to go to settings app here, go to display, and you gotta make sure that you have not enabled adaptive brightness. Then just go back and go to battery, and in battery settings you have to make sure that your power saving is disabled. If you have enabled this, it will reduce your brightness to prevent battery from overheating or from lagging. So once I've done this, now you just have to simply go to accessibility section, look at accessibility, click on it, click on vision enhancement. Now once you are here, just scroll down, you might see the option of extra dim, click on it. You just have to disable this. Once you have disabled, your issue will be fixed, because sometimes it might happen that you have accidentally enabled your vision enhancement, so you might get this type of error. So you just have to disable this, or you can also try to decrease its intensity from here in this from this section. You can decrease or customize this intensity, but I recommend you have to completely disable this. And once you have disabled, just go back. Now you can easily customize your brightness from your brightness slider, and you will not get any issue like that. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.